Hey, what's going on YouTube? Ty from AskKeen.com hit you with another video. And today's video, I want to answer a question. How much it costs to run an online business? What's the total cost? What's my final number if I want to start a brand new online business? So it depends on what you want to do. If you want to buy traffic, that costs money. That's ongoing costs. But if you want to get free traffic and start building something like a blog or a YouTube channel, I would say you need a few tools first. You need landing page software. You need email service, like hosting service. You need, I use Aweber for my hosting service. I use Lead Pages for my capture page. If you want an all-in-one, you want a lead capture page, and you want an email hosting service to receive emails and email your customers. ClickFunnels would be a good thing to get because it's $97 per month, which is kind of a lot of money, but what it does is way cheaper because Lead Pages, I believe it's $32 a month, and Aweber is for a month free and $20 a month to that. But once your list grows, your bill gets bigger. I think I think ClickFunnels is $200 per month for the email service, I believe. So it's cheaper. Now I think it's cheaper. ClickFunnels is cheaper because if your list get bigger, your Aweber bill gets bigger as well. But let's just talk general, brand new. You need a landing page software. You need email service. So it's about a month, maybe $70 a month. Hosting is like $4 to $5 per month. Domain name is $15 a year. Buy a premium theme is maybe $60. Hire some writers. Get a good decent article. Maybe $50. Let's say $50, the high end. $50 for a good written article. And YouTube, use your cell phone. When you want to get fancy, you can buy a $100 camera, but I wouldn't. I will invest that money to a editing software like Filmora. It's $60, one-time fee. So I would say the most you need is probably $500, maybe less than that. $500. $500 is all you need to start an online business. Now, is that a lot of money? No. I know people who buy Jordans all the time. That's $400-$500. That goes down in value. I know people who buy True Legend jeans and jeans that cost $60-$70 a pop. People buy put rims on cars. My last video was about Rethink money. Buy rims on cars and get the windows tinted and get 220-inch subwoofers in the trunk. Nothing wrong with that stuff. Nothing wrong with it. But if you want to build a business, what's better, to take that money and build a business, or put rims in your car that loses value over time? So you gotta reevaluate, who paying for, nowadays, I tell people nowadays, why are you still paying for cable? Why are you paying $200 a month, $250 a month, $300 per month for cable, when you just Hulu, there's Netflix, there's other means to watch TV that's way cheaper, way cheaper. Why are you still paying for cable? Why are you still paying for a landline? Why are you still paying for a landline? Over time that adds up. So my thing is now is rethink your money. That's that $500 is the high end. That's the highest at the highest end. That's everything. And that's a premium theme. Do you need a premium theme starting out? No. You could wait 3-4 months to get a premium theme. So I'm talking about starting out right now on the high end. Low end, email service, landing page, it's $70. About $80 a month. Get you a couple articles written. Then the articles written, do you need articles written for your blog? You can write it yourself. You can write all the content yourself. Don't pay nobody nothing. So maybe, if you get a brand, let's say you buy a domain name, you get hosting, you get Aweber, you get Lead Pages, talking about maybe $100. $100. for the business to start, $100. So yeah, so high end, I'll say $500. That includes everything: the writers, the premium theme, the editing, the email software, the hosting email, the landing page software. That's the editing software for YouTube videos, editing software, and that includes the camera. $500. That's not bad. You could raise that much money. You could raise, and the good thing about it, you don't have to buy it all at once. You could buy the domain name, which is $10. You could get the hosting today. Look below the video for Bluehost. Get a sweet deal right now. You get the domain name for free. So you start an account, you get a domain name for free. So domain name shouldn't count. So really, you're just paying for hosting. That's it. And you can start, get the website hosted, get the blog hosted, start writing blog content. YouTube channel, you don't really need editing software right out this juncture. You don't really need it. You can just use your cell phone. You don't need a camera. Use your cell phone. Like I'm right now using my cell phone. You use your cell phone, record a video, talk to the world, record a video. This cost me nothing. Nothing. So really, the cost of starting an online business is very low. Maybe zero. Maybe $100. $100 if that. That's a dinner for 2 weeks, if you really want to do it like that. So yeah, so that's it for the video. How much it costs to run an online business? The essential tools: you need a blog, a YouTube channel. If you want to buy traffic, I ain't do buying traffic. Buying traffic is up to you. But start a blog and a YouTube channel. YouTube is free. YouTube don't cost you nothing. Use your smartphone. You can hit record and record your message. Turn it off. Blog, $10 for a domain name. If you go to Bluehost, you get a free domain. Set up the account. You pay $100 and some for a year worth of hosting. One-time thing. No, I think it's like 3 years for 100. Yeah, 3 years, $134 one time, and you can start blogging. Do you need a premium theme? No, you don't need it. I would say get one in the beginning. You don't need it. And you need email software. You don't have to have it, but yeah, I said go ahead and get it. So yeah, that's it for the video. Is that cheap to start online business? I've seen people like John Chow for years making $100K per month from his blog. $100K. Then when he first started, he was making $40,000 a month before he added the high ticket products. So not even doing high ticket items, he was making $40,000 a month. $40,000 is a lot of money. That's a lot of freaking money a month. So in a week you're making $10K. You're making $10K a week. That's a lot of freaking money. You can't make that a job. You just can't. You can't make that a job. You can't make $10K at a job. You can't. You gotta have some kind of business pumping money. You can't make that a job. So just see the possibilities of a YouTube channel can make you tens of thousands of dollars a month. That's a mere fact that a blog can make you $10K a week, $40,000 a month. It's sick. It's crazy. So start the blog now. If you need help, let me know below the video. I'll answer all your questions. I suggest you start with Bluehost. I love Bluehost. Go with Bluehost. Start a YouTube channel. Go with Bluehost. Set up an account. Get your domain. Find a niche you want to be in. You want to write about. Start the blog. Start writing content. Do content every day if you can. And a year from now, if you keep posting and blogging, a year from now, you'll have a successful business. I mean, that inspires me that if he can do it, I can do it. If he can make $40,000 a month, what's stopping me from doing it? That's $10K a week. That's just ridiculous. $10K, that's a lot of paychecks that, Anyway, that's the real cost of starting an online business. So my name is Ty from sking.com. Thanks for watching my video. Subscribe to my YouTube channel, and I'll see you next time.